The running question throughout today's video is going to be, am I impressed? This is for BoxyCharm by Ipsy, September 2025. Am I impressed with the lip balm or lip treatment mask that they sent? This is from Jubel Naturals. It has castor seed oil, olive oil, and jojoba seed oil. Am I impressed with this product? Nope. It says it is vanilla cherry. I took a sniff through the safety seal. I ain't smelling no vanilla. All I'm smelling is cherry. And it smells just like cough syrup. This is not a good match for me. I've told them that before. I don't like cherry scented items. They sent me a cherry scented item. I am not impressed. And that item did have a retail of $20 for 0.7 ounces. Not impressed. Am I impressed with the e.l.f. product that they picked? This is in the shade 4 Light Neutral. It even has an SPF in it. Halo Glow Skin Tint Mineral Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. Water resistant for itty bitty little print, 80 minutes. Am I impressed? Yes. I want to give this a try. I'm impressed that they sent me this. I do like a good skin tint. I find I like that better than a foundation. And SPF is always helpful. True. And it is $18 for the 1 ounce size, which, as things go, that's pretty impressive because you don't need oodles of a skin tint. You're looking for just a light augmentation of color. And on the side here, they give a little explanation of their other shades, which I thought was impressive for the packaging. Then we get to the 3 items that Anne gets to pick. And yes, I am thankful and impressed that we do get to pick 3 items. That is always nice. Am I impressed with the fact that there were only 4 choices per each of the 3 sections? No, I'm not impressed. Normally there's 6 to 8. This time there were only 4. Not impressed. Am I impressed with what I was able to find in each of those groups of 4 items? Because I was a little concerned. I'm impressed. First up from Color Wow, we have Money Mist. And this is turning into one of my favorite product brands, Color Wow. They have a Luxe Light leave-in conditioner for glossy, expensive looking hair. This is full size. All the products in this box are full size. This is full size with a retail of, what did I write down? Can't read my own writing. $29. Which for 5 ounces, that's not too shabby a retail price. No, because you don't need a lot of leave-in conditioner. You don't want to weigh your hair down. You want something just to take out the tangles and give it a little extra oomph. I'm impressed. Is Anne impressed with this brightening treatment mask by Goldfaden MD? Yes. Very impressed to get to try one of these products. There's going to be a short coming up very soon. Shorts come up on the weekend. I tried a sample size of this brand, Goldfaden MD. It was a moisturizer. You want to check out that short. I'm impressed that I get to try out this mask. You leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes and then gently rinse or remove. That wording, remove, concerns me a little bit. Makes it sound like you gotta scrape it off. Hopefully that's not the case. I'm impressed to get to try this brand, and she is, how big is she? 2 ounces, and retail is $75. That's an impressive price. Then again, for a mask, you don't need to glop it on heavily. This should last a while. Am I impressed with the Alamar Neutral eyeshadow palette? Yes. That is what it looks like. We have matte tones along the bottom, and the top are shimmers that are also duochrome. And I'm impressed because I get to do swatches. I need a brush. Okay, just a second. Okay, I will be patient. This looks like a nice palette, to be exact. We used it today to get this eye look. And there should be a short coming up on the eye look. Nice neutral shades, but yet still a little bit of bling. I gotta get my bling. I love me some bling. So, you know, it's one of those, the bottom row could be your daytime look, and then if you're doing something that evening, pop on one of these shimmers for some extra bling. And the retail on this, that's a very good question. The retail is $28, which for 8 pans, $28, that's not horrendous. Would I rather it be a little lower? Yeah. Yet, I'm impressed with those duochromes. Brush, please. Okay, we'll get her a brush so she can do swatches. And it has a mirror. Oh, I love me a good mirror, too. The camel will now do swatches. Nice job in the swatching department, Miss Fatima the Camel. Thank you. I love a good swatch. I did notice that those are very pigmented shadows. They are blendable, but they are definitely very pigmented. Good to know. So what did you see in this box that impressed you? Let me know that we know. Did you get this box? Did you pick the same things or different things? I want to know all the details. Overall, am I impressed with this month's box? I would say yes, I'm impressed. Am I over the moon impressed? No, we're not over the moon. Yet, am I impressed? Yes. I liked 4 out of 5 items, and I was able to find choices with a smaller selection, because that did concern me when I didn't see as many. I was like, uh-oh, what are we going to wind up picking here? So overall, yes, I was impressed with this box. And speaking of this box is now going for $32. They've put shipping on there now, so I think that's running around $2 a box. All the items are full-sized, And you can decrease the cost of your box with an annual subscription, but you have to pay for all of it up front. So everybody please shop responsibly, shop with what your budget allows. They do have add-ons, quite a selection. We have a code. Yes, we have a code, Try our code. It's supposed to save you a few dollars, is our understanding. So, thank you for taking the time to watch our video and find out whether or not I was impressed. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, all that fun stuff. Hope to see you soon.